Hey guys, new hair blogger here. Welcome to my channel. I've been natural for about 5 years and this is the result. So honey, yes, yikes. But anyways, we're going to start off by washing your hair and blow drying it. And here I'm going in and doing my parts. I chose zigzags. I'm doing 2 weave ponytails on natural 4C hair. So this is me going in with my hot comb on the areas where I did my part, just to make sure they can be extra flat and laid and not poofy. So this is the result. And then I went in also with my flat iron, and as you can see, for each side of my ponytails I separated them into 2 sections, so that way I can just focus on the back half and then focus on the front half. So here you just see me flat ironing it, combing it up, putting got to be holding spray on it, and using my blow dryer to kind of lock that style in for me. So we're just doing the same thing on the front. Just want to flat iron your hair, especially if you have natural hair. You want to get it as straight as you possibly can. So once you get it as straight as you can, just go ahead and get your ponytails in there. Ooh, that stuff was cold, child. And then on top of that, the dryer was hot. I got hair in my mouth. I'm looking all crazy, but we got through it. So, as you can see, I kind of struggled a little bit with that front piece. Not really sure why, but once you get it laid how you want it to lay, go ahead and work on your edges. I'm not really that good at edges, so I didn't really show me doing my edges. So you can do your edges however you want. I just use like 24-hour edge control for this style. Put some in the back and also in the front. So then once you get your edges laid how you want, go ahead and put your hair wrap on there so you can get that tied down. Now after that, you want to go ahead and put your 2 ponytails into braids or twisties, whichever one works, and then wrap it around and secure it with a rubber band. Yeah, it's my husband in the background talking to me. That's why I had to do this voiceover. But once you get those wrapped around, go ahead, take the end of one of your track ponytails and just wrap that around the base of your knot that you made, right? And then you're just going to take the track as well and just keep wrapping it around. I only had this style in my hair for about a week, so I did not use any glue whatsoever. I just used some bobby pins and just basically just wrapped the tracks around my little buns, and it stayed fairly well. My suggestion would be, I didn't do this, but as you're wrapping, just go ahead and put like 1 or 2 bobby pins in there while you're wrapping, to help it stay even more secure. Like if you want to wear this style for longer than a week. But everybody with natural hair knows that yes, this style is probably only gonna last at the most a week for you, especially if you're not trying to use any gel, because the gel will kind of make your hair curl up and whatnot. So that's the main reason why I did not use any gel whatsoever besides the edge control. This is just me putting the bobby pin in there, securing it. Once you get it in there secure real good, you want to go ahead and comb out any tangles, get all the tangles out. Yes, honey. Just fix the natural curl pattern of the hair, or even if you have straight hair, you still just want to comb it out to make sure there is no tangles whatsoever. So that's just me doing that there. And then once you get all the tangles out, you want to go ahead and select a nice size section from the back to wrap around your base, because we don't want our track showing that we just wrapped around our bun. So this is just me wrapping around, putting got to be holding spray, keep wrapping and keep spraying. Yeah. So you guys get the picture. You see what I'm doing here. And then finally, once you get it wrapped around, you want to go ahead and put your bobby pin in to secure that wrap around. And then also you want to make sure that your base wrapping is identical to the other side. So this is why you just see me going around a little bit more with hair from the back to kind of match that the thickness of the red ponytails, because you definitely want to make sure that they both look symmetrical and everything looks pretty good. Like even the placement of your ponytails, you want to make sure that you have them both in the same position. It's just going to make the style look way more professional and look like you went to the salon, even though you just did this yourself in about a hour flat. Like it took me an hour to blow dry and straighten my hair and then get these two ponytails in. So yes, I'm just making sure that my bases are the same size, so you can just keep wrapping, or hopefully you can just get it in one shot. But I'm a new hair blogger, so yeah, I mean it's a little trial and error, but you know, it's always a journey and it's a process, and I'm not a hairstylist whatsoever. So I'm one of those little spoiled kids that got their hair done for them their whole childhood. So this is me attempting to be able to do my own hair. So, but I still think the style came out really, really good. I love the red and the black. I got so many compliments on this hairstyle. So you should, if you love color, I would do like one of the color that you love in black. Like a lot of people seem to love that. So this is the style. It came out so cute. I love it. I love my edges. That was my first time trying to do swirls, and I think they came out amazing. So I hope this video was helpful for people with natural hair. I will be posting more videos of natural hairstyles, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. These are some of my favorite photos from my Harley Quinn photo shoot. I'm such a character. Peace.